This garlic butter fettuccine with shrimp is one of my all-time favorite pasta dishes. Not only is it incredibly delicious and easy to make, but you can feed 4 people for less than $15. Season a pound of shrimp with some lemon pepper seasoning, some Old Bay, and some paprika. Give that a really good mix. Go ahead and get your pasta boiling in some salted water. Heat up a tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter, and cook your shrimp for about 1.5 to 2 minutes on each side. You do not want to overcook them. Once they're finished cooking, remove them and set them aside. Add 4 tablespoons of butter to that same skillet and about 7 to 8 minutes garlic cloves. Cook that for just about a minute, then add a cup of pasta water. Add in the juice from a lemon and a pinch of red pepper flakes. Give that a quick stir, then add in your cooked pasta. Add in some freshly grated Parmesan cheese and stir that up really well until the cheese is completely melted. Be sure to do this over low heat so that the cheese doesn't get clumpy. Now you're going to add the shrimp back in and give it another really good mix. Season with salt and pepper to taste, and that is all there is to it. I hope you try this, and I hope you love it, and I'll be ready to pause the video to screenshot the recipe. Bye.